Christmas Light Train, the coziest holiday train ride ever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Jaden for Jesus. Today we're doing something really special. We are riding a Christmas lights train. This entire train is covered with holiday lights, and I heard it feels like stepping into a Christmas movie. So let's go see if that's true. Just arriving at the station, and the vibe is already amazing. Everyone's bundled up. There's Christmas music playing, and the train is absolutely growing. Once we got on board, the entire train was decorated in lights, garlands, ornaments, everything. It's such a cozy atmosphere, especially when the lights are passing by outside. Cool, right? We've got hot chocolate, holiday music, and a warm seat while it's freezing outside. Honestly, this might be the best way to experience Christmas lights. Cozy moment. Look at the Santa. I'm enjoying him. I remember him. This was definitely the highlight. Everything lights up and the whole train feels magical. It's one of those moments where you forget about everything else and just enjoy it. And just like that, the ride comes to an end. This was such a fun, cozy experience, and I'd honestly do it again in a heartbeat. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you ride a Christmas lights train? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays! I meant Merry Christmas! Bye, and I'll see you in Jaden for Jesus.